Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, empowering industries with industrial IoT solutions that connect machines, sensors, and assets to deliver real-time visibility, intelligent automation, and smarter business decisions. Many manufacturers struggle with disconnected equipment, manual data collection, and unexpected breakdowns. Without real-time insights, improving productivity and reducing downtime becomes a challenge. Brilliant's Industrial IoT platform seamlessly connects sensors, PLCs, machines, and industrial equipment through secure gateways. Real-time data is transformed into powerful dashboards, predictive maintenance alerts, energy monitoring, and AI-driven analytics that improve operational efficiency. Our industrial IoT solutions help manufacturers increase productivity, reduce maintenance costs, and accelerate their Industry 4.0 transformation. Transform your manufacturing operations with Brilliant Industrial IoT solutions. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.